So the official and mathematical exit of the Reggae Boyz from the Qatar World Cup qualification after defeat number 6 from 11 games, all of that is being overshadowed by the news that some COVID-positive Costa Rican players somehow took the field and played in last night's game at the stadium. And this, we understand, is after it was known that these players tested positive. And like clockwork, the fingers of blame are trending towards a gross mismanagement of the process. And again, not far away from the word mismanagement comes the JFF. But as we await the details, one theory is that Jamaica should get the 3 points with a 3-goal margin and blah, blah, blah. But God know, Jamaica my team, but me don't want the points. What this incident has done, though, is to again paint football in a further bad and incompetent light. So for what is left of the credibility of local football, we need to find out who fell down on the job and exactly what happened. So whether it was CONCACAF, the Ministry of Health, the JFF, the Costa Ricans, we need to find out who blundered, expose them, embarrass them, and if needs be, we charge them. By the way, the Jamaica team played good in the first half.